The first day of 2013 brings with it cloudy weather along much of South Africa's coastline, and that's due to this ridging high pushing in moisture over that part of the country. We're expecting a predominantly cloudy and wet day, particularly along the KZN coast, with isolated to scattered thundershowers over the central and eastern half of the country. However, in the west, we're expecting lots of sunshine, and as the surface trough deepens, we can also expect warmer weather over the next day or so. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for Tuesday, and that's for heavy swell along the coast between Alexander Bay and Cape Columbine. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with up to a 60% chance of thundershowers and showers from southeastern Gauteng and the eastern Free State right the way towards the east coast, with isolated thundershowers and showers into the light shade of blue. No rain in the west, but a slight chance of light rain along that south coast in the morning, and that's largely due to the ridging high and all of the moisture that it brings in with it. Here are your maximum temperatures for the first day of the new year: 34 degrees for Kimberley, 28 for Bethlehem and Johannesburg, 38 degrees into Uppington, 31 for Mahikeng and Pretoria, into the mid-20s for KwaZulu-Natal and Mbombela, but that cloud keeps daytime highs in the low 20s for the Eastern Cape and George, with a warm forecast for Cape Town with a maximum temperature of 27. As you head out towards the coast, we can expect moderate beach conditions for Namaqualand and Lambert's Bay, with a moderate to fresh southwesterly wind and warm daytime highs. Too windy to head out to the beach though for Alexander Bay and Langebaan, with a strong southerly wind, and don't forget about that warning of a heavy swell which averages 4 meters, and that's from the southwest. As we head along the southwest coast, we're also expecting a 4-meter swell, but that's mainly in the morning, with a strong southeaster for the Cape Town Atlantic side as well as False Bay. Moderate to fresh though as we head into Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, with moderate beach conditions and warm daytime highs. Good beach weather as we head along the south coast, except for that cloud, particularly in the morning. But if you can get out before the rain starts up in the afternoon, we have a light to moderate southeasterly wind, and here along the south coast we're expecting a 3-meter swell, which means waves will break between 4 and 6 feet along the shore. Moderate beach weather for the East London and Wild Coast, with a light southerly onshore flow, but cloudy and wet as we head into Durban and Richards Bay, with a 2.5-meter swell and low tide expected at 9 minutes before midday.